Good morning, everybody. This is the second outing of the year, and yeah, brought a guest with me. It's my daughter Rhea, and we're gonna see if we can catch a fish. We're in the boat this time. It's 7:55, probably 43, 44 degrees, and yeah, we're gonna see if we can catch a fish. Trying a GoPro stand. Kind of a homemade deal out of a bicycle pump, so we're gonna see how it does. I hope the frame looks good and everything looks right. So I ain't gonna know till I get home. Oh shoot, don't get hung up. Oh, there should have been a fish on that one.
That?
Oh shoot. No, you can't touch it, right? It's got hooks. It'll hurt your hand really bad, I promise. Yeah, you don't want to touch it.
This good tree.
Yeah, it is a good tree.
Oh, that bad tree. This bad tree.
It's not a bad tree.
It's little bad tree.
Man, that crankbait is so small, I can barely see that thing when I cast it. So I keep getting a backlash. Perhaps I don't want the moving bait this morning. Sometimes I get caught up throwing lures that I want to catch fish on and forget to swap out, try different things. So I'm going to try to rotate baits every few minutes if I ain't getting no bites. Until I eventually figure out what they want. I thought a crankbait would do it. It's cold, huh? Oh, there's one. Ain't no big fish, but that'll be our first fish. Choked up on that crankbait.
Oh, yeah!
Don't jump. Don't you jump on me. Alright, well, there's number one little guy on the crankbait. You wanna kiss him? Kiss him for good luck. Touch him. He's slimy, touch him. Ew!
Yeah, big up swimming.
Alright, well, that was number one. This is 6 cents. I think it's some kind of mini crankbait. It's like a 2 to 4 footer. Works great in these small lakes that are pretty shallow around the edges, and mostly clear water.
Oh, it's ready.
Let's try
I have water.
some soft plastics.
Lots of water. Dad.
There he is. Oh, darn, man. Couldn't catch up to him. Grabbed it quick. It's probably a little guy. But still. Dang, I need to get a good hook set in there. Oh, shoot.
It's ready. Come on, Beth. It's ready. Dad,
Threw it in a branch, so that didn't help.
it's ready.
Okay. What gives? there's a fish. Oh, another little dinky guy, but hey, a fish is a fish. On the old 6 cents.
What's that fish? Dad?
You can touch it.
It's tiny.
You can touch it. It is a tiny fish. But it's a fish.
Ew.
Here, touch it. Ew, it's cold, slimy.
Let me hold.
You don't need my help, baby. You got it.
Got it.
That's right. You got it. Reel it in.
Turn your duck.
Really, girl?
Turn.
Right, grab the reel handle and reel it up. I'm gonna have to take it away from you again if you ain't paying attention. Oh, there's one. Oh, that feels like a better one too. Better compared to the little dinks I've been catching.
Got
There's
fish.
a better one. Oh,
What is that?
it's okay. All right, hope that was recording. That was a fiasco, but here he is. Holy smokes.
That was that's it.
6 cent swimming jig. Here you go, you can touch it. Put your finger in his mouth. Here, just touch him. He's
No.
okay, touch him.
I can. It's me.
Here, touch the back. All right, I'm gonna put him back in the water.
I touch it when
Thanks for playing. All right, here, touch him then, baby. All right.
I'm gonna hold my best. Dad, I'm gonna hold best.
I tried to let you hold one. You were too scared, remember?
Dude.
Yeah.
What are we doing?
All right, well, that's probably about it. I think I caught 3 total.
Oh, what are we doing?
2 on a crankbait, 1 on a swimming jig, and I missed a couple on a weightless hookworm. Anyhow, y'all get out there and get after it. I'll see you on the next one.